Chris, let's talk about it. Can you take any comfort from the plans being laid out by this Federal Reserve?
Can I take any comfort? Listen, what the Fed is going to do, the Fed's just going to follow the instructions of the market. The market has told them to get more hawkish. They're getting more hawkish. I think as far as the balance sheet, one of the things, and this is my little pet peeve, we're going to look back over the years, academics, investors, everyone else, and we're going to scratch our heads and say, why did the Fed ever continue to buy bonds in June, July, August, September, so on and so forth? It made no sense at that point in time. And what they're doing is it's a tacit agreement with that belief. We made a mistake. We have to reverse that mistake, and we're doing it as quickly as we can. The other thing I want to talk about is many investors are focused on Fed rate hikes. They're focused on the balance sheet. But one thing I think people don't focus on enough, and is very important, is the fact that you've taken $1 trillion buyer out of the marketplace. If you look at when the Fed officially ended buying bonds, it was about March 9th of this year. If you look at 10-year nominals, 10-year reals, they started to walk higher at that point in time. The person who's stepping in for that $1 trillion buyer is a lot more price sensitive. And what we're saying is just a normalization of interest rates as we should have seen a long time ago.
Geraldine, one thing that a lot of people are saying, and Mike McKee just said it, is that the Fed will keep going until something breaks. Are you and the team at Pimco concerned about a repeat of Q4 2018?
Well, I think for now they need to deliver and be hard, at least until we see the peak of inflation, which could happen sometime in the summer. At what point it will be up to them to decide if they want to slow down the pace and try to soft land the ship, which most probably is their intention. I don't think it's their intention to break something along the way. That said, the path to manage landing inflation without breaking growth is getting narrower and narrower.